Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate the hidden Photos lock on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down or search Photos. Inside Photos settings, scroll down until you see Hidden Album. Make sure the Hidden Album option is turned on. Next, scroll down a little more and find Use Face ID or Use Touch ID. Turn this option on. This is very important. When this option is enabled, your hidden photos will be locked using Face ID, Touch ID or your iPhone passcode. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.